When you log in, you'll automatically fall into your teacher's space. To go to the corrections space and review student writing, I'll need to click on Review Space at the top of my page. In this space, I can see the writings that have been written, are in review, or have already been reviewed. The different tabs show you the progress of the different writings that my students have done. I can go ahead and click on my student work, and what I want to do here is I want to finish the review, and then the reviewing space will appear. I can see the writing instruction, my child's writing, any suggestions that I made, the status of the corrections, and then down at the bottom of the page, if I want to request a correction, I can type in request a change, and then I can go ahead and leave some general feedback on the story. And at the very end, I can select some characteristics of the writing that will allow the student to earn badges, like this was creative contributions, use of varied and precise vocabulary, and contributions related to the text. I can then leave the student an overall comment on their story, and finally, I can validate their work.